Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to do the Maiden on a new plane. Yeah, imagine that, me in a new plane, right? That never happens. Got the Top RC Focke-Wulf 190. Now, I got set for my expo is 30%, and I got 100% travel on all control surfaces. Got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. And she's got flaps too. They're split flaps. And the landing gear has sequence doors, which is really, really cool. Now I got this plane from Bitco Hobby. Come on. Get turned around there. Wind is going to be a bit of a problem because it's out of the west. I mean, that's okay right at my back, but trying to get it's fairly strong today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down here behind the model and take off. Okay, we'll do another control surface test. We got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right, really not going to try it. I'm probably not going to need the flaps today because it's just so windy right now. So I'm running an AR 620 antenna-less receiver in her. So it's got no kind of gyro or stabilization of any type in her, and good flying so far. Not a good day to maiden a plane because it's just so windy. Here, put the gear down. Yeah, it is windy, but it seems to be handling it okay. Yeah, it seems to be handling it just fine. But yeah, it's awfully windy today. Got the gear down. I'm going to try to get a landing out of her. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I hit the ground at a noser, but here's a chance to watch the landing. Watch them doors. See? You got those sequence doors. Isn't that cool? Motor off. Let me pick her up, obviously, and let me make sure we're okay. If you think, boy, she sure is shiny. Yeah, she's shiny. I put that clear coat of polyacrylic on her from Minwax. The water base is in the light blue, aqua blue can. But yeah, that's like I said, we got definitely got a cross breeze going here. So, all right. Be nice to fly her on a nice calm day and see what she would do. She's got a nice little roll rate on her. There. Good looking plane. Good looking plane. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all. But there's very little room you have to be very specific on what kind of receiver you're going to use, because there's very little room for the receiver. Very tight fit. I do love those sequence doors. Hey, not bad, not bad. All right, let's get her turned around here. Not bad for a maiden. Not bad at all. All right. Okay. Good looking bird. And I know I gotta get rid of I keep using that same adjective, good looking bird, right? Very handsome flyer. Start getting lined up for my landing. Not bad, not bad at all. All right. Well, folks, there you go. That is the Top RC Focke-Wulf 190, also known Hobby King solder for a long time. And motor off. I think I got one of my little gear doors, or it's kind of walky there. Oh, maybe not. All right, but watch these doors. This is really cool. Is that not cool? Them sequence doors. I love that. I do. And I'm going to do it again. But I'm running a 2700 3S in her, and there is no way. The CG is basically kind of like right here when you turn her over, but there's no real way to check the C. There's no real way to adjust the CG, because there's only one place to put the battery. It slides right in there in a tight pocket. I got a 2700. It recommends a 22 to a 2700, I guess, you know, from what I can tell. And that's the only place you can put the battery. So there's no backwards or forwards. You have no choice. So, and I can't tell you how much is left on my battery because I don't have a smart ESC in it, and I forgot my battery checker today. So, but she flew great, and I flew her for basically 5 minutes. So there you go, folks. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, and planes. Bye-bye.